Hey, what's up, everyone? We're gonna jump right in today and start talking about today's trade. I only took one trade today, and that was on DKNG. Took this for an opening range breakout. I got long at 51.27. I took my first cover at 52. I didn't stay so mechanical on this one. Just the way the overall market was trading, I just didn't have a lot of confidence. So I felt like 52 was a good spot to take profit. This thing ran up, came within like 10 cents of my profit target, and then uh, this candle opened up and started selling off. And I just wasn't totally confident. I didn't have the conviction. So when this thing started pulling back, and then it popped back over the half dollar, I mean over the whole dollar, I just took it. Uh, you can see two candles later, this would have actually hit my target, the mechanical uh, target that I had. That would have been 52.27. But I shorted myself on this, shortchanged myself. But I still feel like I traded this well. I executed well. Uh, I was looking for a quick pop over that whole dollar once we broke through it. But like I said, the way this market was today, I only had two stocks on my watch list, and the market was extremely strong. But these two stocks just didn't have enough buyers coming in, and the volume was getting kind of low. So I took it. I still held on to hit my second target up at 53, but this thing ran into the daily 20 EMA that was at 52.50, and you can see this thing just sold off for the rest of the day. So once we closed below the 9 and made a new low, I took it off, and so that last cover was at 51.73. And then after that, I was done. This was in the middle of lunch. I worked last night, so I was also extremely tired. And with this stock, didn't have any shorts available, so I wasn't able to put both my profit target and my max loss stop or my break even stop at this point once I got this first cover. So I just stayed at my desk and stayed engaged and watched this thing. But you could see this thing over and over again as it got up here. It was just choppy, and it just didn't have the legs to keep pushing. And once we hit that 20 and we pulled back and then we lost it, I was like, yeah, this thing is dead. So I just was waiting till I had a technical signal to actually get out. Got out, and that was pretty much it for the day. After this, I just ended up going to sleep. But this was a good trade. I stuck to my trade plan. Like I said, I didn't feel extremely confident in this trade just because when all this was going on, the market was trading sideways. And then finally, when the market broke over its opening range, broke out of its opening range, I would think that this thing would have had the legs to push up along with the market, but it just didn't have it. So that even made me less confident in this trade that it was going to work. Uh, Even though I took profit early, I would still say this is a good trade. It does make sense. I took it on the opening range breakout, and the only thing that I could really say I could have did better was still stuck to my mechanical profit target. But like I said, this thing was a reasonable spot to take it, being it was a whole dollar. And with the not having confidence, this is pretty much all I could really give it. But overall, good trade. We're going to start the week green. Let's just keep that going for the rest of the week. Still trying to dig myself out of that hole. I believe that I had that big loss I had on last week. But I know if I stay consistent and just keep trading stocks that have catalysts and not just mimicking the market, that I do have an opportunity to dig myself back out. But that's gonna be it. I want to say thank you guys for checking in with me, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.